Thank you. You're saying exactly what this whole message of my content is about, especially right now. So I got a lot of people upset in the GCC. They're saying, why are you talking positively about the people of Iran? Well, clearly they don't fear.
Allah says that. Allah says in the Quran that a one on whom zulm is done, mazlum is called, on whom oppression is done. If the oppression is dua, even if he's a non-Muslim, hypothetically I agree with the non-Muslim. You understand, no? One on the oppression is done, Allah listens to the dua of the oppressed person. And if a non-Muslim country is just,
yes,
Allah will support that. And if a Muslim country is doing injustice, Allah will support the non-Muslim country which is on justice rather than a Muslim country which is doing injustice. And Ibn Taymiyyah said this. So there are verses in the Quran. So based on the Quran and Hadith, there are differences. That is a different chapter. That doesn't mean I agree with them 100%.
Right.
At this time, there is zulm done on them. They are being killed, whether it be Gaza, whether it be Iran. And how can we just neglect it? That doesn't mean I'm agreeing with them 100%. This time, we have to be united.
Thank you, yes.
We have to be united.
Thank you.
And you see, that's what the Quran says. That's what the Prophet did. That's what the Sahabas did.
Yes.
That's what the Khulafa Rashidin did.
Yes.
So why are we, the problem is we are afraid of death. That's it. And see what's happening now. With all the latest technology, latest radar system, billions of dollars, they're spending more than $1 billion a day to survive. Right. And they are using cheap drones of 20,000.
50K drones, 5K drones.
20,000 drones, and they are attacking $1 billion.
Right. Destroying.
And this is the thing that we should not love this world. We should be more bothered that our final destination is Akhirah. So if you lead the life that where will I benefit more, he's a better businessman. So these people are short-term businessmen. They only bother about this world. So if you look at we are going to live in this world for how long? 70 years, 80 years, 90 years? Not more than that, maximum 100. Mm-hmm. Compared to the Akhirah, which is eternal. So if you're a good businessman, that if I give you some difficulty, if I give you some pain for the small 0.001% compared to the Akhirah, you would love, okay, I don't mind having pain. If you're doing an operation, you're giving an injection, you're getting a poke, but then you're going to be cured. So comparatively, even if you see in this world, you have difficulties, you have turmoil, you have to face something, it's good, it's a test. For the examination, you study hard, you sleep less for that few hours so that you get a good result.
Exactly.
So Allah says in Surah Mulk chapter 67 verse number 2, Alladhi khalaqal mawta wal hayata. Allah has created death and life to test which of his good indeed. See, all of these people, Muslim countries, I don't take name normally when I talk. Many I meet, I know them. We have to guide them. It is not, and we have to guide with hikmah. If I'm going to talk something and they won't accept what they use. Okay, I've done my duty. But you have to do with hikmah. You should not, I always tell that if you want to talk to someone who's on high power, whether it be the government, whether it be a big celebrity, you have to do with hikmah. You can't insult them. If you insult them, the chances you'll win them more is less. So you have to speak with hikmah, with love. Because our main duty is to win them over, not defeat them. Love, not to prove them wrong. What are you going to get to them? We do our job in the best of ability, as Allah says in Surah Nahl, chapter 16, verse 125. Udu ila sabili rabbika bil hikmah wal mawadatil hasana wadadun billati ahsan. Invite all to the way of thy Lord with wisdom and beautiful preaching. So you should do it with wisdom, not that, okay, see, I spoke the truth. I gave good to that country. I gave good to that president. What is the benefit? Are you trying to score points here? Yeah. We are trying to win. Follow the Quran.
So you want to win them over, not defeat them.
Win them over, correct. So same way in the Quran, see, when I'm giving advice to a normal person is different, when I'm giving advice to the head of states is different. This is what Islam says. I cannot just bombard, even if I'm right. I will push them over, in fact, more on the other side. You have to win them over. So if Allah has made you a celebrity, for example, so it's your duty not just to say, okay, I'm a celebrity, I've come on the social media, I've spoken the truth. Khalas. No. Okay, that's there. Speaking truth is better than not speaking truth. But that is only small portion you have done. Your job is to win them over. So when you're giving advice, your advice should even touch their heart. So there are some people, some guys, very few, who take names and they criticize and they keep on bombarding. I give the message with hikmah. I told many things now, without taking names. So those who are intelligent realize who I'm speaking about. Because our job is that if they like you as a celebrity, how do you influence them to come on the haqq is your job.
You have to speak with love.
Yes.
I can see why you're a threat now. I understand. You probably don't get into debates the way that we're used to now. A lot of the conversations are screaming matches.
Yeah, hikmah.
Yeah.
No, depending where you are. If you're in a boxing match, you have to give a knockout.
Right.
If I'm on a debate on the stage, I'm Zakir Naik, different.
Yeah.
They have to be like a lion, correct?
Right.
But not, you understand? No? Yeah. So our main job is to get the people close to Quran and Sunnah.
Right.
Whether it be a non-Muslim, whether it be anyone, whether it be a Muslim not practicing Islam. So that's what, after I did my hijrah, besides my dawah on the stage, we're involved in speaking with different heads.
We're not there to humiliate them, we're here to invite them.
It doesn't make,
It's important to remember.
it doesn't make any, it will not benefit you. There are already 100 people, 1,000 people speaking against them.
Yeah.
What is it? One thing is there, you cannot support them, for sure.
Right.
Instead of supporting, speaking against them is better, but the best is invite them with hikmah. Because if they call you to meet you and you're meeting them and you have an opportunity because you're a celebrity, so you have to take advantage of, and depending upon how close you are, because I'm in many heads of states, a Muslim country, many. So then, depending how big a fan he is of yours, you give that advice. And Allah has blessed us that some people listen to advice, some people don't, so we have to do our job of just delivering the message. Whether he agrees or not, that's his